George Polya came up with and released the four-step method in 1945. Step 1, understand the problem. Questions to figure out for yourself. What is the unknown? What is the data? What is the condition? How to go about understanding the problem. Read it slowly, jot down key ideas, determine the unknown. Step 2, devise a plan, translate. Developing a plan, draw connections between the data provided and the unknown. Possibly in list format, possibly draw a diagram or table. Try solving a simpler problem. Try specializing, generalizing the problem. Search for a pattern, guess and check. Step 3, carry out the plan, solve. How to carry out your plan. Execute the plan you created. Create an equation. If it doesn't work, try out a new method or step. Possibly make a new plan. Step 4, look back, check, interpret. How to review your solution. Check your work. See if the answers you got correlates with the question. Can you find it a different way? And here's our reference sheet.
Hello, this is Polya's four-step problem solving, and this is step 1, understanding the problem. It's like an analysis of the problem you're given. You have to read the question carefully and understand what it means. What are you trying to find or do? What is unknown in the problem? And what information is not needed or what's missing? All right, this is step 2 of Polya's four-step plan. Devise a plan. Look for patterns or similarities in this equation that match up with previous equations. What goes into this step, and think about why it is important. Break down the problem into different steps to get a better feel of it. Make tables, diagrams, write a different equation, or make a sub-goal. All right, this is step 3 of Polya's four-step plan. Carry out the plan. What is going to happen in this step? Implement strategies we used in step 2. Do the math computations. Check each step as you do it. Organize your work into easy visuals and double check your work.
Hello everyone, my name is Calista Heiser and I am part of Team 2. Mariella just explained Polya's four-step method. I'm going to go ahead and give a quick little recap. So for our first step in the method, we're going to understand the problem. What is our goal? Number 2, we're going to devise a plan. Make a list, make a diagram, make a chart, whatever is going to be beneficial for the problem at hand that you're tackling. Number 3, we're going to carry out the plan. Your initial plan might not work, but you can always devise a new one. And finally, number 4, we're going to review the solution. Does our answer look consistent with the problem we've been given? All right, let's go ahead and move on to our example problem. So we are given that a shirt and a tie cost $50. We're going to put our cost of shirt as the X and our cost of tie as the Y. And our example problem is going to be X plus Y equals 50. And that's our given. We are also given that the shirt costs $30 more than the tie. So we'll do an equation for that. X equals Y plus 30. Now let's go ahead and solve. So we have understood our problem. We are trying to figure out how much a shirt costs and how much a tie costs. We're going to devise a plan. We have our equations laid out here. I'm going to lay out our first equation as in parentheses y plus 30 parentheses plus y equals 50. Carry out our plan. So let's solve this. So like I just said, parentheses y plus 30 back in parentheses plus y equals 50. We'll go on ahead and just make this 2y equals 5 minus 30. I'm going to subtract that 5 minus 30 and then divide that 2 out. So then we'll have y equals 20 over 2, which is going to give us an answer of 10. We're not done yet. Now, we're going to take our x plus y equals 50 example equation from above here. And we're going to go on ahead and write that out again. We're going to input our new numbers, our new y, and move that over. So x equals 50 minus y, because we moved it from our left side. And then we're going to get x equals 50 minus 10. As we know, our y equals 10. So 50 minus 10, now we know that x equals 40. So now we know that our shirt is going to cost $40 and our tie is going to cost $10. And that's how we do it. So now we're going to review our solution. Does that look correct? The tie and the shirt cost $50 together. 40 plus 10 equals 50. And then our shirt costs $30 more than the tie. So is $40, 30 more than 10. I'd say that looks about right. And that is how you use Polya's 4-step method to solve an equation. Thank you guys.